Hello, welcome to the second show of the clear.ml. I am Guerre and I am going to discuss the clear.ml things with you. First, let me turn on the video. Hello, as you can see, I am a tiger, I am not a turtle. Due to user request, I have taken over the show. Now it's more relaxed and you can listen and learn with the tiger. Don't forget to subscribe to our show and star us on GitHub. Big applause to Nikolaj Pabischak, or I'm sorry if I said it wrong. He started clear.ml and he gets now famous time. Applause. Good. Now, remote workers. What is remote worker? Well, in the clear.ml data science MLOps solution, you can take some of the work and not do on your own machine very easily. This enables you to do form pipelines, to hyperparameter optimization, and even do remote Jupyter VS Code connections with very little effort. How it's done? It's done because you have a main server, which you either host on your own because it's open source, or you log in to the free clear.ml service, and you also get 100 gigabyte storage. Why is that important? In a second. Then you can integrate your code with 2 lines or even less. Then the server can deploy jobs to the remote workers with UI only. Very comfortable. I'm sure you already saw the previous video. If you don't, you can also try for yourself very quickly. Oh, wait, what do I hear? You don't have a remote machine? Well, you can either use the same machine that you are using for doing the runs, or you can ask a friend to install the clear.ml agent on his machine, or, and that's what I'm going to show to you today, you can use the COLAB. Now, before I turn off the video and move to the demo, I just want to say thank you for listening, and remember that clear.ml is awesome and swell. Now, let's turn off the video and continue to the demo. Now I am connected to a GPU on the COLAB, and I will install the clear.ml agent and do NVIDIA SMI to make sure I have a GPU, and we'll check if I have this clear.ml conf file. So it's already installed because I just did it. And we have what today? A K80. Oh, such strong machine. Good GPU. Now, you can see I don't have the clear.ml config, so I cannot actually use this. There are many ways to do it. I prefer mounting my Google Drive and copy the configuration file which has my credentials to this machine. As I said, there are easier ways to do it, but in order to make it in the demo so you don't see my key, I can do it like this. And then all I need to do is to create a queue named COLAB on the application and run a daemon. And as you can see now, it will start a daemon. Now we will move to the app itself and see what we can do with it. Great. Now we are in the application. We can see that we have a worker on the COLAB. It is listening to the COLAB queue, which means that now I can run jobs on it. This is something I'm working for the next webinar. And I can clone this. Clone, and enqueue it on the COLAB. And we can go and see what the COLAB is doing. See, it already captured my experiment. We can go to the experiment And see, it is already installing all the requirements. Now, why did I say 100 gigabytes? Why is it important? Because this training is able to download the dataset that I saved on the clear.ml file system, and it's going to upload all the models that I create automatically to the clear.ml model storage. This means that I don't have to copy things back and forth, and this is a bona fide worker that is working for me. And why is this important? Because sometimes I just need a worker, and I need to do, for example, hyperparameter tuning, and I want to check something. It's easy to do it this way. Okay, now it's installing. We can go and see how it looks like in the end. See, it did some epochs, it trained, I get TensorBoard, all of this from the COLAB. And this is actually the system usage of the COLAB instance. And I can put a tag on it that says, awesome. Now, thank you very much for listening. I hope this was informational for you, and you choose to do it yourself. The notebook that you can clone will be in the comments. Thank you very much.